Deforestation is the widespread clearing of forests, often to make way for cities and farmlands. Deforestation causes huge changes to the environment. The trees and other plants that live, they don't survive. Animals can also die or must move to new places. Deforestation also affects the balance of gases in the atmosphere. During photosynthesis, trees and other plants take in carbon dioxide and give off oxygen. Sadly, deforestation of the Amazon occurs at an alarming rate. Each year, about 14,000 square kilometers of forest are lost to make way for forming the building of roads and dams and human settlements. If the rate of deforestation is not drastically reduced, the damage done to this amazing ecosystem may be irreversible and many organisms may be. People need to take steps to improve the forest cover rather than decrease it. Protecting forests, sustainable logging practices, deforestation and afforestation, agriculture practices,